Hi there, this is Dan with Travel Like a Champ channel, December 16th, 2023. And today we're going on a little drive to downtown Schenectady, and we're going to go over a couple fun facts and things to do that happen in downtown and in Schenectady as a whole. And so let's get on this journey. Fun fact is Schenectady earned its nickname as the Electric City. This was due to the historical association with General Electric, where Thomas Edison established the Edison Machine Works here in the late 19th century, which became, larger part became General Electric. Another interesting tidbit is this was the birthplace of television. So in 1928, the first ever television broadcast in the United States took place in Schenectady by GE researcher Ernst Alexanderson. It was a significant milestone in the history of technology and communication. Great interesting fact with a lot of things in New York is the connection for the Erie Canal. So Schenectady served as a vital stop along the Erie Canal, facilitating trade and commerce in the 19th century. This, as mentioned in some other videos that I have done, contributed to the growth and development of not only New York as a whole, but also Schenectady city as well. The historical theater, as known as Proctors Theater, opened in 1926. This remains an architectural gem and a hub for cultural events. It hosts Broadway shows, concerts, and various performances throughout the year. Schenectady is also home to Union College. It is one of the oldest colleges in the country, founded in 1795. It boasts a picturesque campus and a rich academic history. Driving here, you'll see the First Methodist Church on the right. It's a beautiful church in Schenectady. And we're getting towards the downtown arena, where we want to go. The GE Realty plot, another interesting fact. The residential area was established in the late 19th century by General Electric executives and is known for its beautiful homes reflecting the prosperity of the time. Another good fact is Riverside Park. Riverside Park offers, which is situated along the Mohawk River, provides scenic views, walking trails, and recreational spaces for locals and visitors as well. What you're going to see here on the left side as we get through this first light here, it'll be a little bit closer. On your left, which you'll see on the lights shining on the left side here, is where Proctors Theater is, right next to the Parker Inn and Suites. There's a bunch of banks. There's a lot of business that is down here. Not only businesses, but also restaurants, art, parking, obviously, is important, and just a great time of year, especially, for they have the Christmas Day Parade, which usually happens in November, which is always enjoyable for the families, where they go up and down this street, which is State Street in Schenectady. As we keep proceeding, Schenectady has the Stockade District, which is one of the oldest neighborhoods in the city. This is preserving Dutch colonial architecture and hosting events like the Stockade Villagers Art Show. Union Street Historical District. This is another historic district showcasing Victorian era architecture. Has quaint shops, restaurants, and also provides charming backdrop for leisurely walks. So as you can see, there's a lot of various different things you could do in Schenectady, depending on different times of year. So definitely a lot of fun. Lastly, there's the Schenectady Museum and Planetarium. This showcases the region's history, including exhibits on GE innovations, and features a planetarium of astronomy enthusiasts. Light here, obviously you gotta use caution always. So as we keep going here, going straight here, just a lot of, you got a lot of nice architecture, beautiful buildings, brick buildings. One last thing to end on is Schenectady's role in technological advancements, its historical districts, cultural landmarks, and educational institutions contribute to its unique character and appeal. So I hope you enjoyed